Okay, so the air conditioner stays on even after you put the temperature on 90. That's if you're using the air conditioner, you have it on cool and you have it on automatic. And if the motor keeps running, you have a situation. I just want to show you that you have this relay here, which is the time relay, and this one here is for the heat. So you're not going to be messing around with that. So again, the air conditioner is running and the AC compressor turns off, or the cold, where it provides the cold air, and all you got now is hot air coming out and it doesn't shut off. It's either this timer relay or it is the thermostat. In our case, it's going to be the thermostat. That's what we're going to try first. Try putting on a new thermostat. So there you have it. Hold on a second, give you the results. To put the wires is simple. You have a red, a green, a white, and a yellow. Green, white, red, yellow. That's it. And if you don't have one of those colors and you have 3 of them, that other color goes to the color that's missing. All right. Quick update, the thermostat was the situation that caused it to not turn off. The AC compressor was turning off, but not the air handler, which pushes out the air.